Max, ride your bike for me. Show me how you ride. Can you go fast? Pretty good. Okay, turn around and come this way. Ride back to Mama. Pretty good with that bike, honey. You've been practicing? Whoa, look at that turn. Good job, Max. Where do you park your bike, honey? Right there by Papa's? Is that where it goes? It's a nice bike. That's your bike, that's right. Can you go fast? Trash. Okay. Looking good. Can you go far, far away, honey? Good job. He's gonna get me. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no, oh no. Whoa, got Mama. Say love you. Look at Mama. Say I love you. Love you too.